Huh? He's a magician and he's gonna try to perform stand-up comedy. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for the comedy stylings of Marcel Papi.
Woo! Thank you very much, Stanley. Thank you very much. While I was on my way here today, I was listening to the radio in the cab, and I just want to shake the hand of the guy who made this Jericho Rosales commercial. Let me just share it with you. Guys, si Eko to, usapang lalaki lang. Kung muna kayo bumili ng shakes, kasi baka manalo kayo ng trip to El Nido, kasama ako. Hindi naman sa sinasabi kong ayoko kayong kasama, pero dude, El Nido yun. White Beach, sunset, tapos ka-holding hands niyo ako. Jahe, di ba? Speaking of TV and radio, on TV, I'm sure you've seen some. Who's been watching anime? For a short while, you've been watching anime.
Yeah.
I have a problem with anime lately. It's always been whatever happens is going to be about saving the world. No matter how trivial, whether it's about tops, it's about cards, it's about bread. Even one time I was watching Mujako, pag hindi mo nagawa yung assignment mo, magugunaw ang mundo. And it's really weird. You know what, I think if we want to make an anime that's going to be about the destruction of the world and the most trivial, I think we should make one about hula hoops. Really, can you imagine the dubbing? Diba? May isang tournament tayo ngayon ng hula hoop. Pagkakunin natin kung paano kumende. Sige, Tokoro. Ito ang aking secret kending technique. And you know, this is really going to be good stuff. Merchandising is going to be off the charts. Merchandising is going to be off the charts. We're going to have special designs for hula hoops and all that. Those are conventions of anime, ladies and gentlemen. When we speak of conventions, when we speak of stereotypes, there's nothing more that irks me than the pet peeve of stereotypes about universities. Have you ever noticed that? We have so many stereotypes about universities that no longer apply. I mean it. For example, let's leave out LaSalle. That stereotype about LaSalle is so untrue and it's so unfair to CSP. So let's leave out that one. But you know, I'm from Ateneo and they say that Ateneans mayabang daw. That's so untrue. Alam mo kung may pagmamalaki ako bilang Atenista, yung aking pagiging mapagkumbaba. Really. Humility is one of the core values of being an Atenean, and I'm proud to say I'm humble. At the same time, they say Adamson. Adamson is all about copying Ateneo just because they're ADU, tapos ADM yung Ateneo. Just because blue and white din ang color scheme nila, just like Ateneo is blue and white. And then they also say that Adamson is, you know, they copied their mascot kasi Falcons tapos Eagles. That's not true. Nagkataon lang lahat yun. And you know, they say Ama, they say, is about Jolinian sila. That's so passe. Cheap naman nila. Saka Heronimo na. Tapos na si Jolina. Matagal na. And one of the things I really noticed is that there's so much trouble now with all these universities that they're actually not just making stereotypes, they're making up universities.
Yeah!
They're making up this university. Have you ever heard of this university called National University? Sir, have you been to National University? Ma'am, do you have a friend from National University? Therefore, National University does not exist. You know, they made up National University just because they needed an 8 team in UAA. Okay? You know, I know. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you noticed that. So next time, look for National University. You will never find it because it doesn't exist. Thank you very much. Good evening, and I'd like to introduce the next comedian. One of the finest women comedians I have ever met. I've only met two. Let's